Imagine if there was a hidden area on your body that, with just a simple daily touch using something from nature, could spark better circulation down there, heighten those long-forgotten sensations, and bring back that morning energy you remember from your younger days. It's not what you'd expect. No workouts or devices involved, just a spot most guys overlook entirely. And today, we're diving into how this natural approach can make a real difference in how you feel and perform, starting right away. As men cross into their 50s and beyond, the body starts whispering changes that can affect intimacy in subtle ways. It's not just one thing. It's a symphony of systems that need to align perfectly for everything to work smoothly. Take your blood vessels, for instance. They're like flexible highways carrying vital flow to where it's needed most. Over time, they might stiffen a bit, making it tougher for that rush to happen or stay put. Picture it like an old garden hose that's lost some give. Water still flows, but not with the same force. Have you ever felt that shift, where things just don't respond as quickly? It's common, and understanding it is the first step to turning it around. Then there's testosterone, that key hormone acting as fuel for drive and tissue strength. It doesn't plummet overnight, but a slow dip can leave you feeling less energized overall, impacting mood and those private moments. Think of it as your body's internal battery gradually needing a recharge. Nerves play a huge role too. Those tiny messengers relaying pleasure signals back and forth. Years of life can dull them slightly, so what once lit a fire now feels more like a spark. It's like an old phone line with static. The connection's there, but not crystal clear. And don't overlook the pelvic muscles, hidden supporters that hold everything in place. They weaken quietly, making it harder to maintain that firmness. Like a door hinge that's loosened, things might not stay secure as long. But here's the encouraging part. This isn't set in stone. Your body has an incredible knack for bouncing back when given the right nudge. I've seen it time and again. Small, consistent efforts can rebuild that coordination. What if you could support all these areas naturally, without relying on quick fixes? That's where something as simple as castor oil steps in, applied thoughtfully. It helps ease tension, boost flow, and revive those pathways. Let's pause for a quick recap. We've covered how age affects vessels, hormones, nerves, and muscles in the male body. These changes are normal, but reversible with targeted care. Now let's explore why castor oil is such a standout helper. Castor oil stands out because of its special makeup, especially a compound called ricinoleic acid. This isn't your average oil. It's got built-in soothing powers that calm inflammation deep down. Imagine it as a gentle peacemaker, quieting any tightness or strain in tissues that might be holding you back. It also encourages better blood movement by helping vessels relax and widen. Like clearing a clogged path, it lets more nutrient-rich flow reach key spots. Plus, it revs up your lymphatic system, that unsung hero flushing out buildup that slows things. Think of lymph as your body's cleanup team. Castor oil gives them a boost to work smarter. For centuries, folks have turned to castor oil packs for all sorts of relief. They'd use it on the belly to wake up organs, or on achy spots to ease discomfort. Its ability to sink in deep made it a go-to for issues needing more than skin-deep help. In today's world, that same penetration can target male vitality directly. When you apply it over areas tied to intimacy, it doesn't just moisturize. It dives in to nourish. It softens muscles that have tightened over time, opens up those vessels for better delivery, and perks up nerves that might feel sleepy. Picture waking a garden after winter. With the right care, it blooms again. Men often share how it feels like a soft glow returning, or a sense of fullness they hadn't noticed in ages. It's not overnight drama, but a steady build that feels authentic to your body. Have you tried natural remedies before? What worked for you? Share in the comments. I'd love to hear. This isn't about pushing limits. It's creating space for your natural responses to shine. Combining this with the right spot amplifies everything, leading to more reliable results. So what's this key area? It's the perineum, that soft zone right between the scrotum and anus. It might not sound glamorous, but it's a powerhouse hub for erection control. Underneath lies a muscle called the bulbospongiosus, working like a natural lock to keep blood where it counts. Nerves branch through here too, carrying those essential arousal messages. And arteries weave in, supplying fresh, oxygen-packed blood straight to the action. In essence, it's command central. Target it, and you influence the whole system. Applying castor oil there lets its benefits seep right into the core. It eases muscle grip, widens vessel paths, and revitalizes nerve signals. For guys noticing softer starts or quicker fades, this can address roots, not just signs. Real-life example. Think of a busy dad in his 50s stressed from work, feeling that dip. After incorporating this, he shares how mornings feel more alive, intimacy lasts longer. It's like tuning an instrument, small adjustments, big harmony. Another analogy. Your perineum is like the foundation of a house. Strengthen it, and everything above stands firmer. Have you sensed tension in that area? Notice it next time you sit or move. This approach builds confidence naturally, step by step. Let's recap what we've unpacked so far. Castor oil's unique traits, its historical roots, and why the perineum is the spot to focus on. These elements team up for deep support. Now let's get practical. How to do this right for the best outcomes. First, ensure the area is fresh and dry. That helps absorption without interference. Grab a teaspoon of pure, cold-pressed castor oil. Quality matters to keep all the good stuff active. Warm it lightly by rubbing in your hands or dipping in warm water. Aim for cozy, not hot. Settle in comfortably, maybe lying back or sitting. Whatever lets you reach easily. Use slow, steady pressure to massage it in, feeling the muscle beneath without pushing too hard. Circle or stroke gently, covering the whole perineum space. Take your time, 2 to 3 minutes minimum, or more if it feels good. Breathe deeply as you go. Inhales and exhales help melt away tightness. It's like coaxing a knot out of a rope, patient and kind. After, add a warm cloth or towel over top for 15 minutes. Heat draws the oil deeper, ramping up flow. You might sense a soothing warmth spreading. That's circulation at work. Make this an evening wind down. Your body absorbs best when relaxed, carrying benefits through the night. Turn it into a ritual, perhaps with soft music or quiet thoughts. Consistency is key. Do it daily for that cumulative effect. Some feel hints early, a subtle tingle or warmth signaling awakening. Others see fuller changes in weeks, like stronger mornings or sustained intimacy. Everyone's timeline varies, and that's okay. It's your body's natural rhythm. Picture it as planting seeds. Water them regularly and growth comes. Beyond the main goal. Extras often surprise. Less pelvic tightness, easier back movement. Since everything connects, some notice better bladder hold, fewer night wakes. Those same muscles and nerves multitask, so improvements ripple out. Real story. A guy in his 60s dealing with minor leaks, finds after weeks control sharpens. It's empowering, boosting overall comfort. Have you experienced linked benefits from one health tweak? Tell me below. This holistic lift makes the routine worthwhile. To supercharge it, layer in daily supports for circulation and balance. Stay hydrated. Water keeps blood fluid, tissues responsive. Sip throughout. Aim for that clear flow. Eat greens and beets for nitric oxide boost. They widen vessels naturally. Like nature's expander, helping delivery everywhere. Add fatty foods. Salmon, nuts, olive oil for hormone-building blocks. They keep levels steady, walls flexible. Try pelvic exercises too. Kegels strengthen that lock mechanism. Squeeze and hold a few times daily. It's discreet, effective. Over months, firmness lasts longer. Mind matters hugely. Stress constricts, so unwind daily. Breathe deep, walk slowly, stretch gently. These shift you to a relaxed state where desire flows free. Combine all this, and change feels sustainable. A quick midpoint recap. We've walked through application steps, expected shifts, and bonus perks. Now building on that with habits ties it together. If you're enjoying these insights and want more ways to boost your health and energy, hit subscribe. We're all about simple, natural steps for better vitality, whether you're a man or woman seeking that edge. Join our community. It's welcoming and full of support. Castor oil's safe topically, but pick pure to avoid irritants. Skip if skin's broken or sore, let it heal first. If pain hits or function changes oddly, check with a doc, rule out basics. On meds for heart or pressure? Mention this addition. They ensure harmony. It's about smart whole body wellness. Remember, your system's resilient. Even later in life, it adapts beautifully. With care like this, intimacy can feel vibrant again. Commit to the routine. Nourish inside out. You might rediscover confidence that surprises. No hurry. Trust the journey. And if this resonates, pass it on. Help a friend. This is Dr. Alex from The Healthy Body, here to guide you toward lasting health and spark. Thanks for joining. See you next time. Take gentle care. Honor your body. It renews wonderfully. If these natural tips excite you, subscribe for more on wellness that fits real life. We're inclusive, helping everyone feel their best.